Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tally on your laptop. Tally is a powerful business management software, widely used for accounting and inventory. Before we begin, it is crucial to check your system's readiness. Your laptop should have a 64-bit operating system, at least 4 GB of RAM, and a modern processor. This ensures a smooth installation and optimal performance of the software. The first step is to download the Tally installer. Open your web browser and go to the official Tally Solutions website. Look for the download section, usually prominent on the home page. Here, you will find the latest version of Tally Prime. Click the download button to save the setup file to your laptop. It is always best to download directly from the official website for security. Once the download is complete, find the installer file in your Downloads folder. It's usually an executable file. Double-click it to start the installation process. You might be prompted to allow the application to make changes. Click Yes. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, selecting your desired installation location. The installation typically takes between 2 to 5 minutes to complete, creating a desktop shortcut for easy access. With Tally installed, it's time to get started. Launch Tally Prime from the icon on your desktop. If you have a purchased license, select the option to activate it and enter your credentials. For those wanting to explore the software, you can choose to work in educational mode, which allows full functionality without a license. After this, you can set up your company and begin using Tally for your accounting needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.